Whoa, got it!
See the prettiest girl, goofy like bouncing a giant beach ball. Toes striped red, yellow, ready for show. Pluto bound.
Let's spread the blanket for our castle.
I'll add shade with the parasol.
I'll build down with the shells. Gar fun!
Blanket on warm golden sand.
Let's toss it around. Hold on tight.
Hand in hand. Mickey picked up the beach ball so bright. Let's toss it around. Hold on tight.
Quack, quack.
Up in the air, we floated so high. Colors spinning under the big blue sky. Minnie caught gently, then passed with a spin. Donald quacked proudly as he tossed it in. The daisy leaped gracefully, caught it.
Good
with
try.
flair. Pluto jumped high, snapping
Ready,
in
Minnie?
air.
I got it! Hee-hee!
They giggled and cheered with each happy throw. The ball bounced and danced in the sea breeze below. But Goofy got excited, oh boy, what a sight. He jumped on his palm with all of his might.
Whoa there, Goofy! We've got to save him. Stretch out your arm.
Teamwork! Let's make it strong!
What's going on up there? Gosh, here I come. Ready, everybody? Pull.
He's safe!
Thanks, pal. Thanks, everybody. That's what friends do.
Friends rushed together, blanket spread wide.
Remember that day?
Yeah, the ball toss and my big bounce. Bounce high, friends catch you.
Full of love.
The end. Friendship forever.
Landed with bouncers safe in their hold, laughing so hard, feeling warm and cold. Thanks everybody, Goofy said with a
Come
grin.
play with
You
me.
fought again, best pals win. They hugged in a circle, all sandy and bright. Beach balls still rolling in the warm sunlight.
Quack,
Mickey
quack,
smiled
rumble.
big, that's what friends do. With love
That's
bounces
spirit.
high, we pull each other through. They played till the sunset turned sky ocean pink. Waves whispered secrets along the
Gosh.
sea's brink.
Whoa, got it.
Stars winked hello, calling friends home. Night settled softly with a gentle sea breeze.
Let's spread the blanket for our castle.
I'll add shade with the parasol.
I'll build down with the shells. Gar fun.
Goofy on big underneath the
Let's
big
toss it around. Hold on tight.
So remember this story when you're by the shore, tossing beach balls and laughing some more. Bounce as high as you like, reach
Quack,
up to
quack.
the stars, but your truest friend will catch you no matter how far. With giggles and splashes and friendship so true, beach ball bashes are magic when shared with you.
Good try. Ready, Minnie?
I got it! Hee-hee!
Beach ball bash. On a bright sunny morning by the sparkling sea, Mickey Mouse shouted, "Come play with me!" With waves crashing gently and seagulls and flight, it was perfect beach day, pure sunny delight. Minnie
Whoa there,
skipped over
Goofy!
in
We've got to
pretty
save him.
red
Stretch out
clothes,
your arm.
sunscreen and flip-flops ready to go. Donald walked
Teamwork,
up
let's
with a
make it
sailor
strong.
hat tip, rumbling a bit, but his smile wasn't scared. Daisy twirled in
What's
with
going
a
on up there?
parasol, looking so fancy.
Gosh, here I come. Ready, everybody? Pull. Thanks, pal. Thanks, everybody. That's what friends do.
They spread out their blanket on warm golden sand, laughed as they built castles hand in hand. Mickey picked up the beach ball so bright. Let's toss
Remember
it
that day?
around.
Yeah,
Hold
the ball
on
toss and my
tight.
big bounce.
Stretch,
Bounce high, friends catch you. The end. Friendship forever.
With a spin, Donald quacked proudly as he tossed it in. The daisy leaped gracefully, caught it with flair, while Pluto
Come
jumped
play with
high,
me.
snapping at air. They giggled and cheered with each happy throw. The ball bounced and danced in the sea breeze below. But Goofy got excited, oh boy, what a sight. He jumped on his ball with all of his might. Boing, 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 up he went fast, higher and higher. How long would it last? Past the palm tree
Let's spread the blanket for our castle.
I'll add shade with the parasol.
I'll build down on the shells. Gar fun.
Let's make it strong.
Let's toss it around. Hold on tight.
Pluto barked loudly, paws digging in sand. His Goofy came tumbling out of his hand. Down, down he fell with a spin and a twirl.
Quack, quack.
Spiraling fast like a Goofy whirl. The friends rushed together, blankets spread wide, formed a soft net, friends side by side. With one mighty catch and a garsh from above, they scooped Goofy safely, full of
Good
love.
try. Ready, Minnie?
Landed with
I got
Bouncy
it.
safe in their hold.
Archer.
So heart feeling warm and cold. Thanks everybody, Goofy said with a grin. You caught me again, best pals win.
Whoa!
They hugged in a circle, all sandy and brave. Beach balls still rolling
Whoa there,
in the
Goofy!
warm
We've got to
sunlight.
save him! Stretch out
Mickey's
your arm!
big. That's what friends do when one bounces high.
Teamwork, let's make it strong.
They played till the sunset turned sky around pink. Waves whisper secrets along the
What's
sea.
going on up there?
Chase one last ball.
Gosh, here I come! Ready, everybody, pull!
He's safe.
Thanks,
Night
pal!
settled softly with a gentle sea breeze.
Thanks, everybody!
Things feeling happy
That's
and
what
pleased.
friends do!
Donald quacked softly, Daisy hummed a sweet tune. Goofy on big underneath the big moon. So remember this story when you're by the shore, tossing beach balls and laughing some more.
Remember that day?
Yeah, the ball toss and my big bounce!
Friends.
No matter how far.
Bounce high, friends, catch you!
With giggles and splashes and
The end! Friendship forever!
Bashes are magic when shared with you.